Assalamualaikum. I am Tazmira Hussain Shukti. My BRing ID is 190143069. First of all, I want to give thanks to our honorable sir for giving the chance to present my presentation. My topic is Airbnb business model. Airbnb is a community-based online platform for listing and renting local homes. It connects hosts and travelers and facilitates the process of renting without owning any rooms itself. Moreover, it cultivates a sharing economy by allowing property owners to rent our private flats. Business model, value proposition and customer. Airbnb is a community-based, two-sided online platform that facilitates the process of booking private living spaces for travelers. On the one side, it enables owners to list their space and earn rental money. On the other side, it provides travelers easy access to renting private homes. With over 15 lakh listings in 34,000 cities and 190 countries. Its wide coverage enables travelers to rent private homes all over the world. Personal profiles as well as a rating and reviewing system provide information about the host and what is on offer. Vice versa, hosts can choose on their own who to rent out their space to. Mission and core values. Airbnb is more than an affordable traveling accommodation option. Through facilitating access to distinctive spaces and local culture, Airbnb aims to enable travelers to feel at home anywhere you go in the world by building connections with local hosts, gaining access to distinctive spaces and culture of their destinations. Value formation and core activities. Airbnb operates as a transaction facilitator between hosts and travelers who are looking for comfortable accommodation at a cheap price. By providing host protection insurance as well as a rating and review system, the platform builds trust within the community of users and lawyers. Transaction costs. Profiles and user reviews help to create reputation and trust among participants of the marketplace. Revenue model. Airbnb receives commissions from two sources upon every booking, namely from the hosts and guests. For every booking, Airbnb charges the guest 6 to 12% of the booking fee. Moreover, Airbnb charges the host 3% for every successful transaction. Organization. While Airbnb was at the Y incubator, Paul Graham told them it's better to have 100 people who love you than having a million of people that sort of like you. Therefore, Airbnb focuses on making what people want and cultivating a sense of belonging by engaging its community through story sharing on the Airbnb website and by inviting users to be part of its logo redesign campaign. Airbnb also interacts with the local community beyond the virtual space through partnerships with city authorities in San Francisco and Portland in identifying hosts to help displaced people in event of an emergency. Then trust. As the community of users grows bigger, trust remains an issue despite the provision of insurance. Then regulations. Many cities start to introduce laws in order to regulate the renting out of private apartments because some hosts rent out apartments like a business without paying taxes. In November 2015, San Francisco residents voted against proposition, a measure that would have severely restricted short-term rentals. Then traveler retention. Airbnb provides offers, promotional codes and credits to frequent travelers as well as to hosts. The last one is limitators. Imitators, especially when entering a new market with its own peculiarities. Local emulators could have already adjusted the business model according to local culture and established the first comer benefits. That's all from me. Thank you.